Now, I'm a neurotypical person and I like to cook, and I have several books on my cookery shelf. This one I use all the time. Inside it has lots of beautiful pictures of the food, which looks really yummy. So when I see this, it makes me want to make that. I must probably look at it several times a week, to be honest, because sometimes I just like looking at the pictures, so I use this all the time. This book I've had for about the last 6 years. I've used it once. This is the reason that I've only used it once. It's full of very small writing and text, and there are, I'm sure, some lovely recipes in it, and I do love Greek food, but I never use this book. I'm not going to get rid of it because a dear friend gave it to me, but I never use this book. So that's an explanation from a neurotypical point of view. Now, if you were an autistic person, then you would need an irresistible reason to pay any kind of attention to anything. And visuals, such as the one I've got here, give you a very clear message about what is expected of you. And that's what we'll be discussing in the next series of videos.